Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a very plain and simple potato with eggs. It's just like the potato curry that I showed y'all, the basic, but the only addition is the eggs and the ginger garlic to it. For my curry, I have 6 potatoes, which is 800 grams. And then I'm going to boil in these eggs. There are 6, that's enough for my family. Then I have an onion to braise. I have some curry leaf and 1 tomato. 1 tablespoon of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the ginger garlic with half a cup of oil to braise. Firstly, I'm going to start off by putting my eggs to boil. I've got my stove on and there's a liter of cold water, and there's a little trick that I'm going to show you all. I'm going to use a tablespoon of vinegar to the water, which will also help to avoid the pot getting black and the peeling of the eggs become easy. The shell of the eggs will peel off easily. I'll put in the lid, but as soon as it's boiled, I'll remove the lid off. While the eggs are boiling, I'm going to braise my potatoes. This is the half a cup oil, and I've got my stove on moderate. So allow this oil to heat up a little. Now I'm going to add in my onions. Allow this to fry a bit. Now the onions are done, and I decrease my flames. I add in my curry leaf. You can hear the eggs are boiling. Then I put in my masalas together with my ginger garlic. There are my potatoes that I peeled and cubed. Now it's ready for the glazing. Today I want to add my salt. I'll give this potato a good stir and allow it to fry for a little while before I use my tomatoes. My potatoes is completely fried in. I'm going to put in my tomatoes and allow this to cook out as well before adding water to it. Now it's been 10 minutes for my eggs and it's boiled out. I am going to cool it off and peel the shell. My tomatoes are cooked out, and I've got 2 cups of water that I'm going to add to bring this potato to a boil. With the boil, the potatoes will get softened. My potatoes are done completely. Because I need some gravy, so before my gravy dries off, I'm going to add in my eggs. I'm just going to make little slit and place it into the pot. I'll allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes and then lunch is ready. My curry is done. I'm going to switch my stove off and garnish with the fresh dhania. And then I'm ready to serve the food. Here you go, your simple and tasty, lovely potato with eggs served with rice and a nice lunchtime treat. We usually call it the anda curry. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.